Good morning, children. Here we are going to discuss a new exercise, exercise 22D, regarding surface area of cylinder. Now, have a look at a cylinder. Here, the area we have to find out. So here, height of the cylinder is h, radius of the cross section of the cylinder is r. So, if you have a look, it will be more or less like this. Either base or the top seems to be like a circle whose radius is r. Okay, and if you want to have a look, the area of the cylinder, curved surface area, as well as the area of the base and the top. So now, to get the area of the curved surface, let me explain here. Think that it is a hollow cylinder, and if you cut over here, and then if you spread, then the height seems to be here, h, and this whole circumference, the whole circumference of this circle seems to be 2 pi r. So area of the curved surface will be now the area of this rectangle, means area of the rectangle here 2 pi r into h, and that is the area of the curved surface area, right? So in fact I am discussing how to get the area of the curved surface. Now we will go for total surface area. So total surface area of a cylinder is, so what we got, let me write once more here. CSA means curved surface area equals to 2 pi r h, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Whatever will be given, we have to use it, right? Now, total surface area. Total surface area will be the curved surface area 2 pi r h plus the area of the top, and area of the bottom. So it will be 2 pi r square. Now if you take common 2 pi r, then it will be 2 pi r whole into r plus h. These two formulas we need to do to work out the questions of exercise 22D. Total CSA 2 pi r h and total surface area 2 pi r whole into r plus h. Now let's start. Almost all the questions of question of 1 are same. So I am discussing one of the questions. Here I am discussing question of 1 second. Here radius is given. Radius is 14 centimeter and height is given here 10 centimeter. So we have to find out curved surface area, we have to find out area of the base and whole surface area. Now CSA equals to, as we have already got, 2 pi r h is equal to 2 whole into, since the pi value is not given, so we have to use 22 upon 7 into r, 14 into h, 10. So 7 to the 14. So now multiple 2 to the 4, 22, 88. So 880 centimeter square. Right. Now we will go for area of the base. Side by side you can go, or you can go downwards, right? So area of base equals to pi r square. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 to the 14, 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 14 is here 616 centimeter square. Okay. Now we will go for third part. Third part is here. Yes, whole surface. So area of whole surface. Area of whole surface equals to 880 plus 616 plus 616 equals to, now look at, why are taking two tens? Because this is the area of the base and same value will come for top also, right? So it will be 2112 centimeter square. Okay, all the questions of question number 1 you can do the same manner, right? Now I will go for question number 2. I am doing question number 3. Question number 2 third, we have here radius. No, CSA is given. Okay, radius will find out. So CSA is here 1320 centimeter square. Okay, and here height is given. H is equal to 14 centimeter. We need to find out radius, means either you write capital or you write small r, no problem. Unknown. So we have to use the formula of CSA. Let the radius be r. So you write let the radius be, here we have taken capital R. Therefore CSA is equal to 1320. Use the formula of CSA. 2 pi r h equals to 1320. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius unknown, height is given here 14 is equal to 1320. 7 2 is 14. Now r is equal to here 1320 upon 2 into 22 into 2. If you calculate, you will get the value here 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is your answer, and all of you know the calculation, so I am not saying here the calculation, right? Now I go for question number 4. Question number 4 here. Let me read out the question. A closed circular cylinder, means closed means there is top, there is base, has diameter 20 centimeter and height is here 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. Here you take the value of pi 3.14. Right. So let's start. Given diameter is equal to here 20 centimeter. Therefore, here only you can find out radius. D by 2 is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we have height. Height is equal to here 30 centimeter. Okay. Now we find out the total surface area. Therefore, total surface area equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We can put the value in two places, or you can take the common 2 pi r. I think this is easier. So 2 into, now we will use the value of pi 3.14. 3.14 into radius here 10 into height here 30 plus 2 into pi 3.14 into radius 10 square. Okay. So after calculating, we will see here the value will be 1884 plus 628. So ultimately you will get the value, total value here 2512 centimeter square. So I am not showing the calculation because of the time problem, right? Otherwise, you just calculate, you will see the value will come exactly as I have mentioned here, right? So this is your answer. Now let me do question number 6. question 6 here, there is a hint. So even then I am doing, because the question is little different. Find the height of the solid cylinder of total surface area 660 centimeter square and radius 5 centimeter. Right. So let's go for the question 6 is just opposite of question number 4. Okay. Given total surface area equals to 660 centimeter square and radius is given here 5 centimeter. Okay, we have to find out height of the solid cylinder. Now let's go for total surface area. Let the height be h. So total surface area, because here instead of writing two places 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, we will take common 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, if you take common, then r plus h comes. So total surface area here 2 pi r whole into r plus h. So according to question, 2 pi r whole into r plus h is equal to 660, right? So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 5 whole into 5 plus h equals to 660. Okay. So here only h is unknown, so we'll keep this portion in the left hand side. So 5 plus h is equal to 660. 7 will go up, cross multiplication, you know. So 2 into 20, 22 into 5. Now if you calculate 2, 3, 30, 11, 2 is 11, 11, 30, 2, 15, 5, 3. So ultimately we got here 5 plus h equals to 21. So last line here you can write, or you can go continue here. So 5 plus h once more I am writing here 21. So h is equal to 21 minus 5 is equal to 16 centimeter. This is your answer, right? Have a look once more, you will get it. You can pause and then you can see the calculation and you can proceed. Last question. Here, question number 9. Question 9 here. A hollow cylindrical pipe. This is not a solid, this is hollow. Hollow means there is inside, there is outside. Hollow cylindrical pipe has inner circumference 44 decimeter and outer circumference 45 decimeter. Find the cost of painting it from both sides, means inner side as well as outer side, at rupees 5 per meter square if length is given 3.5 meter. Okay, so here length is nothing but height. So let's write circumference. There are two shown right here. Inner one is equal to 44 decimeter. Okay, we have to convert this decimeter into meter. Is equal to 4.4 meter. How to get decimeter to meter? Divided by 10. So we got 4.4 meter. And another circumference means outer is equal to 45 decimeter is equal to 4.5 meter. In the same manner, you can convert decimeter to meter. And here length. Length we will write here. We will write instead of length height is equal to 3.5 meter. Right. So now we will go for the cost of painting. So before you go for cost of painting, you will see the area, inner surface area and outer surface area. Okay, let's start. Inner CSA means inner curved surface area equals to 2 pi r h equals to here. See, circumference, though I did not mention before, circumference, in fact, we can write here 2 pi r. We have already mentioned this one in the theory portion when we use to find out the area of the total surface area, right? So circumference here itself is 2 pi r. So instead of 2 pi r, we will put 4.4 meter. So 4.4 into height is here 3.5. Okay, we will calculate afterwards. Similarly, we will go for outer CSA is equal to 2 pi r. We can write here capital R, right? Into h equals to 4.5 into 3.5. After calculation, you will see the values will be 15.4 meters square, and here it will be 15.75 meter square. Therefore, total curved surface area equals to 15.4 plus 15.75 meter square is equal to 31.15 meter square. Okay, so the last line will be the answer line. Therefore, cost of painting on both sides will be 31.15 into rupees 2 is equal to, here you will get rupees 62.50. This is your answer, right? So we have discussed almost all types of questions of exercise 22D. So next day we will start the next exercise 22E. Thank you so much.